Hi everyone, this is Michelle, and I will be giving an overview of how to combat SAT Math and Math 2C in my class. So first of all, let's take a look at the test content of the SAT Math. You will be given 80 minutes, 55 minutes for the calculated portion, 25 minutes for no calculated portion, and these are the total number of questions, which consists of multiple choice and student-produced response, or the SPR grid-in. Next, we will be covering a lot of topics inclusive of heart of algebra, problem solving and data analysis, passport to advanced math, as well as additional topics in math. Next, this is the objectives of SAT Math 2C. In terms of test basics, 60 minutes will be given to answer 50 questions. The objectives of SAT Math 2C are quite similar. You will learn number and operations, algebra and functions, geometry and measurement, coordinates, three-dimensionals, solid surface area and volume, trigonometry, data analysis, statistics, and probability. So first of all, let's take a look at some example questions for SAT Math. The question is, a summer camp counselor wants to find a length x and feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The length represented by AB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1,800 feet, 1,400 feet, 700 feet, and 800 feet respectively. Segments AC and DE intersect at B, and angle AEB and angle CDA have the same measure. So your goal here is to find what is the value of x. So next, let's take a look at the solutions. Knowing that angle AEB and angle CDB are vertical angles, and therefore they're equal, triangle EAB is similar to triangle DCB, and since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. Therefore, we can see that CD over x equals BD over EB. Substituting the given values of 800, 700, 1,400 gives us 800 over x equals 700 over 1,400. Therefore, if we solve this equation in a cross multiplication, we can find x equals 1,600. The next question is, in a figure above, lines A and M are parallel, and lines S and T are parallel. And the measure of angle 1 is 35 degrees, then what is the measure of angle 2? Simply, you'll be able to find that 145 degrees is the answer. Next, let's take a look at SAT Math 2C. So the first exemplar question is, two spheres of radius 8 and 2 are resting on a plane tabletop so that they touch each other. How far apart are their points of contact with the plane tabletop? What we have to do is, for your convenience, we can sketch two circles, and knowing that from the origin of Q to the origin of R, you're able to draw a line and then make this triangular shaped. So OP equals 8 minus 2 equals 6. O prime P will then be 8. And finally, QR is equivalent to 8. The next question is, what is the equation of the graph in the figure? As you can see, the graph consists of two straight lines y equals x in the first and third quadrant, and y equals minus x in the second and fourth quadrant. Therefore, we are able to use the absolute value. So in conclusion, our process is very easy. Through the course content, you will gain knowledge, and we will focus on your individual area weaknesses to finally result in your highest achievement. Thank you for listening, and find Michelle. I'll see you guys in class.